entrance will have one single door. And in summer, where they live, due to the summer, in order to protect from the temperature, they make use of tents. TENTS, tents, which are made up of animal skin called teopigs. So they make use of leather shoes, mittens, double set of trousers and coat called parka made up of animal fur. And also they live in the houses which are made up of snow, that is called igloos. And igloos are nothing but dome shaped houses with a single opening entrances. In summer they live in the tents, and in winter they live in the igloos which are made up of snow. And the tents which they are made up of animal skin called toe pigs. Next, coming to the hunters. Here also people generally they carry out the hunting. So hunters they use harpoons. Harpoons is a one tool which is used to hunt the animals, as well as they may in order to catch the fish. And not only they get the fish to eat, but also they sell it to the market, local market, and also they sell to the export activity. As the fishing is a major industry of Greenland, they export to the other countries as well. Next, they use kakias to catch fish. It's a boat made up of wooden and seal skin. So these are used in order to get the fishes and all the needed which are needed by the sea in the water. So they get it and they put it in this boat which is made up of wood and they seal the seal skin, and they export it to other countries, and as well as they will use these fishes to have it as a food. So, students, as we are studying about the land of ice of the Greenland land, they have given the um, life of these people earlier and now. How is it? How they are living now and how they were earlier. So, a comparison table is been given to you in the page number 39 in your textbook. You will see how they were before and now how they are. Certain things they have given in comparison to earlier and now. So they lived in igloos. Igloos is nothing but house made up of snow earlier. Now they are living in the wooden houses. Then they used to eat raw meat items in the earlier. Now they are making it, once they get the raw meat, they cook it and they canned food. So they now, before what they used to do, like tribal people, they used to have whatever the meat they used to get. They through hunting, they were hunting using the harpoons to hunt the animals, and they used to eat as well as they got the animals flesh. But now they cleaning it and cooking it, and then they will have the food. Then they used harpoons for hunting. Now they use guns for hunting, right? Next, they used huskies to pull the sledges, but now they are using the motorized sledges. And they lived in a nomadic life. Nomadic life means moving from one place to another place in search of food, shelter, clothing, and they doesn't live in one certain place. After getting all the resources once they used in that particular places, they leave off that places and they move on to the other places. But now what they are doing, they started working in the towns, that is cities, so that they need not to follow the nomadic life in now. And they were not educated earlier, but now they are sending their children to get educated to the schools like us, like you people. They are also, their children is going to the schools now. So the differences of earlier life and to now is, they used to live in the igloos, but now they are living in the houses which are made up of wood. And they used to eat raw meat, but now they are having cooked food. Next, they used to use harpoons for hunting the animals, but now they are using the guns. And they used to use huskies to pull the sledges, but they are utilizing the with the help of motor. Next, they lived a nomadic life earlier, but now they started living at certain places. After settling at a certain places, basically the needed basic facilities will also be needed for them to work on. So they started working in the towns and they earn money. Then they get the necessary need and wants of their life. Next, they were not educated, but now they are sending their children to get educated and get into the certain job. So this is a comparison between the early life and now how the people of the Greenland Island are living. So in today's class we learned the economy, which are the activities have been carried out by this country majorly in order to have financial stability, financially strong. Then how the people of this region live, what they use, the what they will wear, where they will live, and how the houses are made up of. And in summer how they will be, in winter how they will be, and hunting what they will use for the hunting, and what they generally have the food. All those things we studies in today's class. So in next class we will be discussing about this chapter in detail. Thank you. Thank you, students.